Alright, in this video we're going to learn how to replace the water filter in the Frigidaire refrigerator. This is a PureSource. This is a PureSource. This is a PureSource Ultra water filter, Ultra WF, as you can see there. So we're going to go through this process. It says it in the back. You can see right there. Let's see if we get the camera on it. You can see it says PureSource Ultra, and that's the filter we're going to replace. So you tell that you need to replace the filter when you hit the options menu and it shows you water filter replace. So if your refrigerator has an indicator screen like mine does here with these option menus, this one right here says water filter replace. So we'll go through the process of resetting this once we replace the filter. Okay, so the first step, we're going to open the package and remove the water filter. Okay, the filter has two caps on the end, so we're going to remove them. See the two caps here? Okay, so now that they're removed, all you do is push in that filter, remove it. Okay, so this is the old one, and it's much heavier because this one contains water and all of the impurities that were filtered out. And then to install this filter, you have that ridge towards the top. And push it in. It's easy like that. So then we take the caps and put them on the filter, and then you properly dispose of the filter. Alright, so the instructions on the filter state that you should replace the water filter every 200 gallons or 6 months. So that's important to remember. Now when we replace the filter, we're going to, it says about 1.5 gallons is what you're going to pass through to clear out, to first prime the filter and then clear out any of the loose filtration material in the filter. But we'll probably end up doing more than that until I'm satisfied with the color of the water. Okay, so you have to be prepared for the water to spit out, so I'm using a pitcher. So you'll see it'll, once the air starts coming through, yep, there you go. And now you can see the color of the water is like a milky color. And that's because of the filtration material and air bubbles in the water. So this pitcher is a ½ gallon. So we have to go through this process several times until I'm satisfied. Okay, so that's 1/2 gallon down. Now you can see the water is slightly clearer this time compared to the last time. And yes, this is a little bit of a tedious process. Sitting here just holding it, kind of boring, but it's required. So that the next person who uses the water isn't surprised by cloudy water. Now at our when we're at our other place, we have the water has a lot of particulates in it, and that filter I have to replace more frequently. You can see it's still cloudy, but it's not as cloudy as the previous fill. And don't forget, you could set up these filters to automatically subscribe. for replacing at a period that you want. So you could set it up to send a new one every 6 months if you want. Okay, so this is a gallon and a half right now. So this meets the minimum that they stated in the instructions. So that was a gallon and a half, but I'm still not satisfied, so we'll probably do this another gallon, so that'll be 2 gallons. I know I've done this in the past like 7, 8 times, so possibly 4 gallons of water we got to pass through. And then I will show you how to reset the water filter replacement indicator. Actually, it's not looking too bad now. Yeah, it's better. Okay, so this will probably be the last one. And you don't hear as many air pockets, air bubbles coming through the water this time as you did the previous. So the initial usage of the water, once you replace the filter, you're going to get some big surges of water coming through that'll make a mess. So I really recommend that you use something like a pitcher like I have here that'll capture that and keep it from going all over. This is still cloudy. Okay, so now I'm going to reset the water filter. I'm going to hit options, scroll cursor down to water filter, and then it says here press and hold to reset. So now I'm holding. There you go. Now it says good. So it'll pop up and remind you in 6 months. That's it.